What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode casting with Carney. Today's video, we're doing some ice fishing on this little pond.
My name is Jeff.
My friend's out there right now. We're gonna see if we can catch some big old bass, and we're gonna be doing some ODR too while we're at it. So catch anything good, I'll make sure to share it with you guys today. Yeah, let's get into it. No way. You got one?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Yeah, for real.
Is it a good one?
It feels decent.
Oh my god, dude. No way. No way.
Oh, it's a stick.
Oh my. It's a stick?
Yeah.
How did you get a stick?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought that was a big one. That's actually funny. Alrighty, we're going to get my bucket right now. Gotta get my little chair. I gotta get something else too. My breakfast. Oh, you got one? Is it a stick again? Might be a fish?
Same stick.
Same stick.
Let's, oh no, it's the plug to the thing.
That's why I was going back down when you would fight it.
I'm gonna drop it in this hole, see what happens.
No way. He's got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, it's a fish. Oh, what? Dude, that's a big one. Let's go.
Ooh,
Let's go, dude. Let's go, bro. Oh my god.
that's a decent
Dude, we don't have the scale though.
Oh, we don't.
That's a good 1.5 pounder. Damn. Let's go. I didn't think we'd catch one today.
We did nothing,
That's
dude.
sick. It's a
Saw a flash
beauty.
at the bottom. I was like, that's a fish for sure.
Yeah, that's sick. Let's go.
So pale, it's like yellow.
I know. I didn't think it was a bass when it came up, dude. I thought it was a sheephead.
I think I picked it.
Let's go. That's sick.
Go.
That was sick.
Fire.
It's a beauty. Wait, this one's 4-pound line? Damn.
It's fine though. They don't fall.
Oh my god. You move this rod one time, and then it like keeps moving for another minute. Ooh, I think this is gonna vibe. The hook is pretty big though.
Yeah, it is.
I don't think I'll be able to drive the hook in. Would you have like a really tiny spinner?
Tiny spinners. These are the spoons I have here. This size here.
I don't think this rod can handle that.
Nah.
So I could probably handle this though, right?
Yeah, it could handle that easy.
Were you jigging it up and down, or what were you doing?
Beating it up and down, yeah. Might not be though.
Feels like 6. 6 or 8, because I just had a lot of trouble breaking it off. Is this the Guggen Squad Gold Series rod? Oh my god. I can feel it really well with it though.
Yeah, it's very sensitive.
The rod bend's gonna be insane if I catch one. Put him in a box, try and think outside it. That was sick. I think it's time for a peanut butter and banana sandwich.
It's time for another hole somewhere.
Ooh! They're shooting at me. Oh! That's how you do it. No way. Is that a fish? Or is it a... There's no way that's a fish. That can't be a fish. Yeah.
Coming up though.
What is it? Yeah.
Oh, that's so greasy.
Oh. Oh man. Well, it's all brown now.
Got greased.
Oh, biggin, 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 biggin. Oh, 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 oh my God. I thought that was a poop bag.
Same.
What is that? A garbage bag full of dirt? All right, we're gonna have to make another hole, I think. Jeez.
Yeah.
Fish?
Fish.
Fish? Let's go. Gooden?
Yeah.
Oh,
Broke me off.
dude.
That was actually a good fish.
That was a good end, dude. Oh my God. Damn.
Broke me.
Was it actually a big one, like a 3-4?
It was a big one, dude. It ran.
Yeah, your drag was screaming too. And it still broke you off.
Yeah. I don't understand. Man, when it started running like that, I knew something bad was gonna happen.
Money's long. I don't love it, but I need to keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up.
You want to make one right in front of the ring? Yeah. Making a fishing video.
There's no fish in here. What do you do with the fish? Just put them back. We're just fishing for fun.
Man, when he said that, I had a bite. I didn't want to set the hook though. Yeah, I had a little bite. It was really small, but it might have been a big one. Yeah, dude, I think that's what we have to say when people try and kick us out is, yeah, we just have to say, oh, we're just doing it for fun, catch and release. I think everyone thinks we just eat them.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're getting laced up. We're doing some ODR for a bit because we're not catching any fish, but some little dangling. You're gonna see a little bit of McDavid and Crosby out here. I am a huge hockey player, so let me know if you want some more clips of hockey or more clips of fishing. I'd be happy to make some more hockey content for you guys too. Alright, let's go, boys. Start this old.
I wish I could go back to right before you told me. I try to change it all, but look at us now. Could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now. This is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again, thought he'd never fall.
Oh, I hit the GoPro.